Hey guys, Tuvi here from vflat World. Today we're talking about our tabletop vflats. They come in small, medium, and large, and they are great for still life, product, and food photography. So the smalls are 12 by 18 inches when they're fully open. The medium is 20 by 35 inches fully open, and the large is 4 feet by 3 feet when they're fully open. The large one, as you can see, is pretty large. It could be used for product and food photography, but it could also be used for a little chin fill on their model, or even a small child as a backdrop, maybe for a pet. They all come in black and white, by the way. The medium is great for food photography. It covers most things, most medium-sized things that would go on a table, so great for food setups. Black obviously is great for absorbing light and creating more shadows and a bit more drama, and the white would be great for doing the opposite, adding fill light. The small size is great for little objects like jewelry, maybe a perfume bottle or a bottle of cologne, or I don't know, anything small. So these are the tabletop vflats. Hope you get some great use out of them.